Getting a code component error in Framer? Yeah, that can break your whole layout if you're not careful. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, click on the code component and read the error message. I mean, Framer usually tells you exactly what's wrong. Next, check your code for syntax errors. Missing brackets, commas, or typos can easily break the component. Now, make sure your props and inputs are set correctly. Yeah, wrong values or missing props can cause errors. If you're using external libraries, make sure everything is imported correctly. Missing or incorrect imports will break your code. Okay, try removing the component and adding it again. I mean, this can fix unexpected bugs. Next, replace your code with a simple version and test it. Yeah, this helps you find where the problem is and open your browser console and check for errors. It often gives more details than Framer itself. If you added custom scripts, review or remove them. I mean, conflicts between scripts can cause issues. So yeah, that's how you fix code component errors in Framer. One of these steps should get everything working again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.